All right, February 7th, 2021, Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday at Hank's Place. We're not here for the Super Bowl. We're here for a super meal. And he thought I looked in the fridge because I don't know what he's cooking yet, and I had not done so. Oh my God. What have we here? He claims it's a Spanish dish. He's got chicken in there, and it's I see chunks of, is that garlic?
There might be some garlic involved.
What else you got in there, man?
It's its own making.
What's it called?
Garlic chicken.